welcome to Golden Guitar. We have Shakira and Manuel TURIZO with a song called Copa Vacía. So with great Shakira, let's do this one. And we have 4 chords, all right? So we will learn these, and they're going to be played in the same way through the entire song. No need for any cape on this one, so let's dive right into the chords. The A sharp sus version here, you have a bar chord, a bar placed on the 1st fret. You don't have to bar the last E here in the bass, so from bottom up, 5 strings, and then the rest you need to add is 3rd on D and 3rd on G. The next chord is the D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Next chord, a bar chord again. Now the F, a bar placed on the 1st fret over all strings this time. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so there you have the chords, and that order is how it goes through the entire song. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern, the last thing here. Starting with the A sharp chord. One round of strumming is very common for these kind of rhythms here, these songs. It's down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. So down, and then a short pause there, and then comes up, clap, down, and then immediately right after the down again on the 2nd round. So a couple of rounds here to get the feeling for the rhythm here. It goes like this. That is how it sounds, but you cannot play like that through the entire song. You need to change chords, of course. So you're gonna play the chord progression we just learned here when we went through the chords: A sharp, D minor, F, and C. 2 strumming rounds per chords, and that will sound like this. And there you have the song Copa Vacía covered here. So I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, see you next time. Play tuned.